Hey everyone, what's up you all guys? I hope you all are doing great. This is Lavanya Bagan. I will be sharing with you all soft and trendy hairstyles with the in-depth knowledge of how you guys can achieve it. So what's the wait? Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to stay updated of all the tutorials that I will be coming up with. So for today's hairstyle, I have with me my beautiful mannequin. I will be doing a fishtail braided hairstyle on her. So grab on your mannequins and let's get into the video. So for this hairstyle, I have divided the hair into ear to ear section or the radial section, and then from the back I have measured the ear mid ear to the other end towards the mid ear, and then the rest you have to separate and then make a pony of this section. So you have to take a donut and take it to the pony and secure it with U-pins. This sort of pins, you're going to secure it with U-pins. Take it like this and then take it into the pony like this. So just like this we are going to apply to the four sides like this. See, it's already secured. So I have divided this particular section into three parts. So now we are going to start making the braids. So I'm going to make the first braid in the middle section, and for those of you who do not know how to make a fishtail braid, I have made a short tutorial on this, so you can just watch it on my page, on my YouTube page. Fishtail braid is also known as an overlapping braid, or you can also call it as a two-strand braid. So I'm just going to make a fishtail braid here, and also I am using a comb in between of the sections where I feel there's some sort of untidiness or the section is not neat. So just like this I am going to make the braid till I reach the pony. So you have to make the braid till you reach the pony. Once you reach the pony, you have to hold the braid softly and then start on with the pulling technique. Pull out the sections of the braid softly and lightly. So I'm just loosening up the braid using pulling technique, and I'm loosening the braid softly. So just like this you have to use pulling technique and use some spray to get rid of the frizz or untidiness, and use your fingers to define those lines. So now we are going to make the braid in the other section. Keep on making the braid till you reach the pony, and start pulling technique with softly holding the braid with your other hand. Use spray, and when you are done, secure the braid with a section clip. Now comes the last section of the back, and again I'm going to start with the fishtail braid. And again, for those of you who do not know how to make this braid, you can just watch this tutorial, short tutorial that I've made on fishtail braids on my page. So now when you are done with all the braids, take away the section clips and secure each of the braids separately with bob pins. Make sure that the braids are looking nice before you secure them with bob pins. Now again, in the front part also I'm going to make a fishtail braid using the pulling technique and securing it with a bob pin. Now the last section, again I'm going to go with a fishtail braid. So there's a lot of fishtail braids happening. So just follow the same process, make the fishtail braid till you reach the pony. Use the pulling technique and pull out the sections of the braid softly. and secure it with a bob pin. Now comes the bun. So for the bun, I'm going to take a section and I'm going to fold it and create some soft lines and use a spray to give the lines the hold. And I'm going to secure the section with a bob pin, and also make sure there's no gap in between of the braids. So for the bun, you're just going to go with the same process, folding the hair, create some soft lines, use the spray to give those lines some hold, and then securing it with a bob pin. So you are going to hide the donut doing the same process. Use some hairspray. Now I'm curling the front bits, and we are done with the hairstyle with lots and lots of fishtail braids. So that was our hairstyle with lots of fishtail braids from here and there and everywhere. I have decorated the hair with the fishtail braids. So yeah, that was a hairstyle for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you gained a lot from this video. Hope to see you soon. Bye.